Have you ever wanted to hire someone from another country? If so, you may be wondering which countries Deel covers. In this video, we will answer that question and provide you with some additional information about Deel. Deel is a global platform that allows you to hire and pay employees from anywhere in the world. This can be a great option if you are looking to expand your business or if you need to hire someone with a specific skill set that is not available in your local area. Deel covers a wide range of countries, including the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, Australia, New Zealand, Mexico, Brazil, Argentina, Chile, Colombia, Peru, Spain, France, Germany, Italy, Poland, the Netherlands, Sweden, Denmark, Norway, Finland, Ireland, Portugal, Greece, Cyprus, Malta, Bulgaria, Romania, Hungary, Slovakia, Czech Republic, Slovenia, Croatia, Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, Ukraine, Belarus, Russia, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan, Afghanistan, Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bhutan, Maldives, Myanmar, Thailand, Cambodia, Laos, Vietnam, Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, Philippines, Brunei, Timor-Leste, Papua New Guinea, Fiji, Samoa, Tonga, Vanuatu, Solomon Islands, Marshall Islands, Federated States of Micronesia, Nauru, Kiribati, Tuvalu, and Palau. In addition to these countries, Deel also covers a number of territories, including Hong Kong, Macau, Taiwan, Puerto Rico, the U.S. Virgin Islands, Guam, American Samoa, Northern Mariana Islands, and the Cayman Islands. Deel is constantly adding new countries to its platform, so be sure to check back for updates. Additional information. In addition to the countries that Deel covers, there are a few other things you should know about the platform. Deel is a fully compliant platform that ensures that all of your employees are paid and taxed correctly. Deel offers a variety of services, including payroll, benefits, and HR. Deel is a very affordable platform, especially when compared to other global employment solutions. Deel is a great option for businesses that are looking to hire employees from anywhere in the world. With Deel, you can be sure that your employees are being paid and taxed correctly, and you can also take advantage of a variety of other services, such as payroll, benefits, and HR. If you are interested in learning more about Deel, please visit our website or contact us today. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below.